Hello, I'm Robin Reed, agricultural economist with Kansas State University. I'm going to be talking to you today about one of our tools for the ARC PLC program decision that you will be making by March 15th. You can find it on our website, agmanager.info, under the Ag Policy section, 2018 Farm Bill. The tool I'm going to be talking about today is the trade-off between the 2022 and 2023 ARC and PLC. By clicking on the green button, you can download this spreadsheet. This tool is now available for every state, every county, and every crop in the United States that the Farm Service Agency has released data for. You will use these drop-down menus to select your state, county, select your crop, and then the irrigation type that you want to look at. Note that some counties have a separate irrigated and non-irrigated guarantee for ARC County, and some counties it is combined. So if your table comes up and shows NA or not available, it's likely because the irrigation type that you selected is not available in the county that you're looking at. So make sure you change that to where the table populates, and then you'll know what is available in your county. Now, what does this table show you? In my example here for Saline County, Kansas corn, you can see that agricultural risk coverage, or ARC, has information here. This county has a 5-year Olympic average of 90.55 bushels that is setting the guarantee for this marketing year, and the national price for the 2020 harvested crop is $3.70, setting the guarantee. Now, when you multiply these two things together, that is where you get your benchmark revenue of $335.04. Now, this program has a 14% deductible, so that's where the guaranteed revenue becomes $288.13. That is the guaranteed revenue per acre for non-irrigated corn in Saline County. Now, on the PLC side, or price loss coverage side, the program yield in here in yellow is something you should change to your own farm's individual program yield. This is your established yield with the Farm Service Agency. The spreadsheet defaults to a number that's close to maybe what a county average would be, but if you put in your own program yield, then the economics are specific to your own farm or your own operation. The price, the effective reference price that is setting the guarantee for PLC for corn this year is $3.70. So those are the pieces of information for the price loss coverage program. Now, everything below here is just the trade-off table, or what would be better, ARC or PLC, to put your program acres in. The first column shows a range of marketing year average prices that might occur in the growing season after you harvest this crop. Like many crops, like corn that we're looking at, this marketing year actually doesn't start until September 1st of 2022, so after harvest, and runs through August 31st of 2023. There is a link here that has estimates of what that marketing or average price could be, but know that these forecasts are a long way out and much uncertainty exists into what the marketing or averages will actually turn out to be. So when you're looking at this table, you will notice there is a number that is underlined in red, and that is the PLC reference price of where you will start getting payments out of the price loss coverage program. So the second column tells you what will that PLC payment be. And as you can see here for corn, there's no payments at $3.70, but as the marketing year average starts falling below that, you can see the PLC payments starting to grow. And again, that's just the difference in the effective reference price and then times the program yield of the individual farm. Now, the rest of the table here represents possible ARC County payments. The ARC County program both has a current year price component, so the marketing year average price as affects the PLC, but then there's a county yield component that also affects what that ARC County payment might be. You can see there's a number here in bold. So this is a range of possible yields that might occur in this county in this growing year. The one in bold, so 91 would be the example here in Saline County. That is kind of equal to an average county yield, or what this guarantee is. So if we have an average county yield in 2022, you can see there won't be any ARC County payments until we fall down here to, in this example, $3.10. We start falling below $3.21, somewhere in here, we're still going to start kicking in our ARC County payments. And again, this would be paid on 85% of your corn base acres. Now, if there's an above average county yield, you can see the chances of an ARC County payment disappear quite quickly. And that's just because the current year revenue increases as we have a higher county yield. And when you compare that to the guarantee, there's just not going to be a payment. Now, the number here in red represents at what price will the PLC payment be larger than the ARC County payment. As you can see, the maximum ARC County payment is $33.50, and that's just 10% of the benchmark revenue. That's written in statute. That's the most we can get out of ARC County. So if we have a price, the current year marketing price, that falls below $337, that PLC payment will be bigger than our ARC County payment. Now, with most of our commodities that we see today, current prices are much higher than the PLC effective reference prices or the 5-year Olympic average prices setting the ARC County guarantee. In the case of corn, those are both $3.70 for this marketing year. So there's a good chance there will not be a payment out of either program. However, there's much uncertainty in price between now and the end of the marketing year. As I said, like this crop, it is going to be until August 31st of 2023 before that marketing year is determined. When you're evaluating this decision, really how to think about it is PLC is going to pay if we see a catastrophic drop in prices above what we're seeing today. If commodity prices stay relatively high, the only chance of a payment is if we see a significant drop in the yield at the county level due to poor growing conditions. Then the ARC County will produce some payments. An example here in Saline County, if we drop down to 54 bushels an acre, we would actually start seeing a payment at $5.21 corn. So that just illustrates, using this table, how we can evaluate that ARC and PLC trade-off decision. Again, this table will run the economics for any commodity in any county in the country. If you have any questions on how to use this spreadsheet, my contact information is down here at the bottom. Feel free to email me at robinreed@ksu.edu. You can also find out more information on the 2018 Farm Bill commodity programs on our agmanager.info website through K-State Agricultural Economics.